Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will decode that which of the following numbers will be positive or negative. So, you know that if argument and base lies on the same side of unity, the value of log will be positive. So, root 2 is what? It is 1.414. Root 3 is what? 1.732. Okay, so it is on the same side means positive. Now 2 and 1 by 7, so 2 is greater than 1 by 7 is smaller than 1, so it will be negative. Now 1 by 5, 1 by 3, less than 1 means same side positive. 4 3, same side positive. 2.117, same side positive. Now this is root 7, so if it is root 9 it is 3, correct? And if it is root 4 it is 2, so it is greater than root 4, it is smaller than root 9. So can I say it is 2 point something? So 2 point something minus 2 will become point something. Point something means what? Less than 1. So argument is less than 1, base is greater than 1, so opposite side negative, correct? Now look at this. So look at the numerator is 1.414, 1.4 plus 1, so it is 2.4. Now look at the base, so it is 1.4 minus 1, so it is 0.4. Now clearly the numerator is bigger than denominator, so clearly it is greater than 1. So argument is greater than 1, base is already greater than 1, so it is on the same side positive, correct? Now it is 2 times, this is third root 3, so if it is 8, if it is 8, it is third root 8 is what? 2. Okay, so it is 1 point, and if it is third root 1 it is 1, so it is 1 point something, so it is 2 point something, correct na? Suppose it is 1.2, so 1.2 into 2 is what? 2.2 divided by 3, so numerator is smaller than denominator, so the value will be less than 1. So if it is less than 1 and base is greater than 1, so it is opposite side na. So if it is opposite side it is negative. Now look at here, if here I will write 10, then log 10 base 10 will become what? 1. So it is 9 and it is increasing logarithmic function, so it is smaller than 1, means argument of this log is smaller than 1, base is greater than 1. This means what? The argument and base lies on the opposite side, means negative. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.